I want you to picture a life where you're paid thousands of dollars to capture beautiful moments with your camera. To be able to wake up on an island or in a foreign city and be able to get to work as long as you have an internet connection. And now I want you to imagine being able to share the things that matter most to you with the rest of the world and to be paid for doing it. You're probably thinking this is some ridiculous dream life that could never be mine. But let me tell you something, it doesn't have to be a dream. This has become my reality over the past few years, and it's a reality I'm ready to share with you. Becoming a full-time content creator has never been more within reach than it has here today with the Lost Creator Academy. Over the past few years, I have been able to build a $1 million social media business. I've been able to build up an audience of over 2.5 million, and I've been watched by over 200 million people around the world. It's absolutely crazy. Now, the craziest part is that it was all done from exotic locations around the world on this device right here. While doing this, I've been able to work with some of my favorite brands, from Google, Samsung, DJI, Nikon, Air Canada, and so many other incredible brands. It's been incredibly rewarding. But the amazing thing is, while working with the brands I love, I'm also getting paid money I could never have imagined. The Lost LeBlanc business completely changed my life. In fact, it gave me a life I couldn't have imagined in my wildest dreams. It really wasn't that long ago that I was working a 9-to-5 where there was very little joy in the day-to-day, and it was so incredible to have been able to escape all that and pursue a career I was absolutely crazy passionate about. So I decided to break down everything that I've learned, and for one simple reason: to be able to teach you how to do the same, and so that you can start living your best life today. Now comes the exciting part. After building the Lost Creator Academy over the past year, I am finally ready to give you access to the business, the workflows, the step-by-step tutorials, my templates, my secrets, my hacks, my everything. No piece of information is kept secret in LCA. You get access to everything that I know. Now, the truth is, knowledge just isn't enough if you don't know how to apply it into your own life. And that's why LCA comes with step-by-step mentorship directly from me. I will take you through the process of becoming that world-class content creator. Whether your goal is to get paid to travel the world, or let's say, step up your game as a portrait photographer in your hometown. No matter the business, you will have my expertise, you will have my mentorship to walk you through every single step of the way and to make sure you master your craft and step up your business game. From teaching you how to create beautiful photos and videos that will get you paid thousands of dollars, to teaching you how to land amazing collaborations and clients with some of the biggest brands around the world. I will teach you how to grow your social media accounts in 2020, and I will teach you how to start selling your own product. That is just scratching the surface of what's inside LCA. Now, I know how you feel because I've been in your shoes not so long ago. Maybe you're afraid to pick up the camera because you simply don't even know where to start. Or maybe you've been posting videos and photos for the past few years and you're just not getting the traction you deserve. Or this one hits me real deep. Maybe every time you ask a client to pay you, they simply get up and walk away. That one hurts. No matter what the frustration or challenge is, trust me, I've been through it, and I've been through it a dozen, if not 100 of times. And the best thing is, I found ways to overcome every single one of those challenges. And that is the core reason I created Lost Creator Academy. This all-inclusive academy will teach you the step-by-step process of becoming a successful and very profitable content creator on social media today. No details have been spared. From becoming a professional in my business to mastering the art of photography and videography, I have been able to turn my dream life into my day-to-day life, and I'm here to do the same for you. I will help you become successful in today's social media landscape. I will help you overcome the many challenges you are about to face. I, Christian, or Lost LeBlanc, will be your mentor. So, if you're ready to turn your passion into your career, then here's what you can expect inside of Lost Creator Academy. First thing you should know is there's going to be 50 plus videos at open. And because this is an academy and not a course, there's an ever-expanding curriculum that is constantly expanding by the day. One of the best things about that is you buy once and you get lifetime access. So your content will always stay up to date, unlike a course which oftentimes goes out of date within a year. With the quickly growing Video Academy, I've split it up into two sides. We've got creative and business. So let's talk about the creative side. On the creative front, I will teach you how to pick up that camera and how to master it. I will take you behind the scenes on some of our photo and video shoots. Whether it be shooting a cinematic edit here in Bali or shooting portraits in the streets of Tokyo, there is so much incredible information that can only be given through that raw and real behind the scenes perspective. I will take you through a literal step-by-step process of editing some of my favorite videos, like my video Sleep Can Wait, which I made for the Indonesian tourism board. I will show you the process of how I edited my recent thumbnail on my viral video, How to Travel Bali, and we will go through some serious deep dives and master classes on Photoshop and Lightroom to teach you how to get the most out of your photography. Through the essential knowledge and the practical hands-on lessons, you'll be able to come into the creative curriculum with any skill level and leave it as a skilled shooter who's ready to start earning thousands of dollars for your work today. And no, it's not going to be like YouTube where you watch a 10-minute video and maybe find 15 seconds that was helpful. There is going to be nothing but efficient delivery of information, and I'm only going to be telling you the things that really matter most. On the business side of the Academy, we're going to be launching with over 20 essential business videos that are going to teach you things like how to get paid even when you don't have a following, how to land collaborations and paying clients, as well as I give you my actual tested and proven email templates, how to master the Instagram algorithm and start growing today, how to get your YouTube videos in the top search results, how to negotiate and price yourself, as well as giving you the secret and insider information like today's industry rates in the social media landscape. This is just a small preview of what's inside of LCA. But one thing is for sure, if you go through the Creator Academy, you will change the way you manage your business. You will change the way you go about shooting your content. This is going to be absolutely transformative, and clients, your audience, and everybody watching will notice that something has changed. Now, the Academy is incredibly comprehensive, but no matter what, you're always going to be left with those extra questions. So who do you turn to? Well, that's why we developed the private and exclusive LCA community, which is going to be a private Facebook group where you have direct access to me at any point in the day. On a given day, I get hundreds of emails, DMs, comments, questions, and as much as it pains me not to be able to answer everyone, I simply don't have enough time in the day. But that is where the Lost Creator Academy group is going to have direct access to my mentorship. I will be investing a serious amount of time to make sure that you have all your questions answered and to make sure you're not just ready for this, but that you're fully equipped to take on the upcoming challenges ahead. One of the other fantastic benefits of the LCA community is going to be just that. You're going to have a bunch of like-minded content creator friends who are going to be able to support you through the highs and the lows. People who are going to hold you accountable to your vision and to your goals. This is going to become the foundation of your journey and a place you can turn to when you need help. At the end of the day, you become a product of the people you surround yourself around, so start surrounding yourself around people who share the same goal and the same vision. Maybe you've gotten to this point of the video and you're just thinking, this sounds incredible, but I'm just not sure if I can do it. I want to share with you some incredible success stories that have come up recently. The first one is Christopher Lau. Chris was working with LinkedIn in San Francisco, earning a serious paycheck, but still, the money wasn't making him happy. He realized something was off. And so he started wandering until he came across the Lost LeBlanc channel. And that's where he came across some of my early teachings. And through that, he got so inspired and so moved that he quit his job and decided to become a full-time content creator. I am incredibly proud of Chris because today he is doing it full-time. With just 10K followers, he took some of the business principles and was able to land incredible collaborations that you wouldn't even imagine. With 50K followers today and 10K on YouTube, he's been able to earn a full-time income. Just the other day, I got a DM from Kai, and Kai told me that with his 1.2 thousand followers on Instagram, he's been able to get a fully paid trip to Japan, where he didn't just get a compensated trip, but he actually had a paying client. And he told me that he was able to use the Lost LeBlanc business principles to do all of that. That is what Lost Creator Academy is all about. And I tell you this truly, if you dedicate yourself to the teachings, if you're willing to be patient even when things aren't going perfectly, and you have the humility to adapt, then I guarantee you it will be your success story that I'm sharing here next, and I cannot wait for that day. Myself, Chris, and Kai are all in different stages of our content creator journey, but I tell you one thing, nobody gave this to us. We got to where we are today with a ton of hard work and having the right strategy. And that is what I'm ready to teach you and ready to walk you through step by step. Now, if you are ready for the next big chapter in your life, if you're ready for an absolute game changer, an insider's track to what makes a content creator successful, no BS, no secrets hidden, this is going to be your go-to answer. For only $7.99, you get all of the Lost Creator Academy, and you get step-by-step mentorship from me directly. You get access to the private Lost Creator Academy group and so many other incredible benefits to come. Now, I have a very special discount for you that's only going to be valid for the next 48 hours. I'm going to be giving you 15% off Lost Creator Academy, which is a total saving of $120 US. That is a massive saving, and that means for just $679, you get a complete access into the insider track of how to become successful as a content creator. This is going to be an absolute industry game changer, and I want you to be part of it. Now, this is as low as we plan to ever make the Lost Creator Academy, and after 48 hours, the price is going to go back up to full. So I highly recommend you don't waste another minute and you enroll now. That may sound like a rather big amount of money to you, and trust me, I've been a broke backpacker before. I know how much money that is. But let me tell you something, it's not a matter of if, but when you land that client, you will have completely covered all of your investment in the Lost Creator Academy. And if you were able to break the stagnant growth on social media today, to start landing incredible brand opportunities around the world, and to completely redefine the way you run your business, this would hands down be the most incredible investment you could have ever made in yourself and your career. Now, I actually have a bonus gift for those of you who are within the first 100 into the Lost Creator Academy, and that is going to be a collection of my favorite presets that I've developed for both desktop and mobile. And together, these two collections are actually a value of $107 US. So I would make sure to get in there right now. Don't waste another minute to make sure you get the full advantage of joining the Lost Creator Academy with some incredible presets that allow you to color your photos in just a couple of clicks. I remember one of my first ever contracts where I charged myself out at $500 US, only to find out that one of the smaller content creators on the trip had charged $5,000. I remember the days of selling my first ever e-product, and on my launch day, I only sold 10 copies of the product. That was a disaster. I simply had no idea what I was doing. And I remember just how much the price of Lost Creator Academy would have mattered to that early backpacker Christian. It is no small sum, but let me tell you something. If I had had Lost Creator Academy at the very beginning stages of my career, I would be in a completely different state today. I would have soared through the learning curve. I would be miles ahead of where I already am here today. There's a lot of questions you're gonna have that you simply won't be able to find the answers to, and that is why LCA is the one-stop place where you can get everything you need and more. I've been in your shoes, and with that, I respect the value of your investment, and I want to give you a guarantee. I guarantee you that if you don't absolutely love the Lost Creator Academy within 30 days, then I will give you your money back. All I ask is you tell me why you're leaving, and just like that, the investment is returned back to you. So joining the Academy is absolutely risk-free. The only risk here is that you spend another day distancing yourself from your goals and not working towards your greatest passions. So guys, you have 48 hours to get that early bird discount. I highly recommend you enroll now. Not to mention, I would not waste another minute to make sure you're within the first 100 to get advantage of that full preset collection. Life is far too long to work a job you don't love, and it's far too short not to start chasing your passions today. So if you want to get started in changing your life, then get ready for the next big chapter of your life. Enroll right now, and I will see you over in the Lost Creator Academy.